If I told you what sets older men apart when it comes to captivating the hearts of women, what secret skills do they possess that seem to make women addicted to them? Well, stick around, because we're about to uncover the fascinating world of Stoic skills that older men use to make women addicted to them. Stoicism isn't just about maintaining a stiff upper lip or suppressing emotions. It's a philosophy that teaches resilience, self-mastery, and a profound understanding of human nature. And guess what? These are precisely the qualities that make older men irresistible to women. Picture this: a man who remains calm and collected in the face of adversity. A man who doesn't let the highs or lows of life dictate his emotional state. That, my friends, is the essence of Stoicism, and it's incredibly attractive. So, what are these Stoic skills that older men wield so masterfully? Let's break it down. Number 1. The eternal student. Why older men are irresistible. Imagine a man whose age whispers tales of wisdom, yet his spirit dances with youthful curiosity. Older men with a growth mindset embody this captivating duality, forever thirsting for new experiences and knowledge. It's not just their seasoned charm or rugged elegance that draws women in. It's their insatiable hunger for self-improvement that sparks fascination. These men stand as beacons of inspiration in a world often consumed by routine. They don't just navigate life's challenges, they thrive amidst them, using adversity as a catalyst for personal growth. Women find themselves irresistibly drawn to their optimism and resilience. Being with such a man isn't just about companionship, it's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. His commitment to growth inspires women to pursue their dreams with renewed passion. In his presence, limitations fade, replaced by boundless possibilities. For these women, the older man with a growth mindset isn't just magnetic, he's a living testament to the enduring allure of curiosity, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence. Number 2. The sage's charisma. Wisdom to their advantage. Picture this: a man whose mere presence exudes the wisdom of ages past, guiding him through life's intricate tapestry with grace and finesse. That's the allure of older men, who effortlessly wield their wealth of life experience like a well-honed sword. Women are not just drawn to their distinguished appearance, but to the magnetic aura of authority they emit. These men possess the rare ability to leverage their wisdom in any situation, effortlessly earning respect and admiration. Whether it's offering pearls of wisdom or calmly navigating stormy seas, they leave women in awe of their sagacity and insight. In a world where superficiality often reigns supreme, the older man who masterfully wields his wisdom stands as a beacon of authenticity and depth. His ability to navigate life's complexities with poise and discernment serves as an irresistible magnet for those seeking substance in their relationships. Number 3. The art of leaving her craving. How older men master conversation. Imagine being in the presence of a man whose words weave a spellbinding tale, leaving you hanging on his every word, craving for more. Older men possess this rare gift of mastering the art of conversation, knowing precisely when to leave a woman wanting more. They understand the power of ending interactions on a high note, creating an aura of mystery and anticipation that keeps women captivated and intrigued. These men effortlessly wield their charm and wit, leaving a lasting impression that lingers long after the conversation ends. In a world filled with shallow exchanges, the older man who knows how to leave her craving stands out as a true conversational maestro. His ability to evoke curiosity and desire through his words is nothing short of mesmerizing, making him irresistible to women seeking intellectual stimulation and emotional depth in their connections. Number 4. The gentleman's triumph. How older men inspire with modesty. Picture a man who exudes an unmistakable aura of success, yet remains remarkably humble in his demeanor. That's the essence of older men who master the art of demonstrating success with humility. Instead of flaunting their achievements through ostentatious displays, they quietly and modestly share their triumphs, earning admiration and respect from women drawn to their humility and authenticity. These men possess a rare blend of confidence and modesty that is utterly captivating. They don't need to boast or brag to prove their worth. Their actions speak volumes. In a world where vanity often masquerades as success, the older man who embodies humility stands out as a beacon of authenticity. His understated elegance and genuine modesty leave a lasting impression, making him irresistible to women seeking substance and sincerity in their relationships. Number 5. The Silent Symphony, how older men speak through body language. In the silent language of gestures and posture, older men paint a portrait of maturity and stoicism that captivates those around them. Their body language speaks volumes, conveying confidence and composure with every subtle movement. Women find themselves mesmerized by their poised and graceful demeanor, drawn to the air of authority and wisdom they exude. These men understand the power of non-verbal communication, using their body language to command attention and respect without uttering a word. In a world where words can often be deceiving, the older man who embodies mature and stoic body language stands out as a beacon of authenticity. His silent symphony of gestures leaves an indelible mark, evoking admiration and reverence in those fortunate enough to witness it. Number 6. The Ageless Elegance, why self-care matters for older men. In the pursuit of timeless elegance, older men understand the significance of self-care and grooming. They prioritize their appearance and well-being, recognizing that a well-kept exterior reflects inner vitality and confidence. Women are irresistibly drawn to these men, appreciating the effort they put into looking their best. From meticulous grooming routines to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, these men exude an aura of self-assurance and sophistication. Their commitment to self-care not only enhances their physical appearance, but also signals a mindset of self-respect and personal investment. In a world where first impressions matter, the older man who prioritizes self-care stands out as a symbol of timeless allure. His dedication to maintaining his appearance speaks volumes about his character, attracting women who value both outer beauty and inner strength. For these women, being with an older man who takes pride in his self-care regimen is not just about aesthetics, it's about aligning with someone who shares their commitment to living life to the fullest. Number 7. Authentic confidence, the power of self-acceptance. Older men radiate a unique charm born from their acceptance of imperfections. Their quiet confidence, devoid of insecurities, captivates women effortlessly. In a world of doubt, these men stand tall, embracing themselves fully. Women find solace in their genuine presence, drawn to the strength that comes from self-acceptance. With them, connections deepen beyond surface allure, fostering bonds built on mutual understanding and respect. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to the Stoic skills that older men use to make women addicted to them. By incorporating these qualities into your own life, you can unlock a world of charm, magnetism, and irresistible allure. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, remember to embrace these Stoic skills and watch your influence soar. Stay tuned for more insights, and as always, stay Stoic. Cheers.